Yan na, nakabidyo na. Nakabidyo na.
Okay. Hawakan mo na to. Ako maghahawak niyan.
Hoy!
Meron kaming gagawin. Ayun isa guys, maliit. Maliit eh.
It was not a tie. I saw the whole thing. Rock
Maliit.
first.
And ito namang isa malaki. Oy, balik. Malaki. Malaki yan.
Yes.
So, sige, happy na.
2 points, Valtryek wins.
Oh, ang sakit. Ay. Laban na. Laban na. Eto na, nakita lang namin to sa kusina yung malitas. Etong malaki na to sa posporo. Ito oh.
Uy, ate ko yun.
Sa posporo yung malaki. Gabin. Gagambat na yun, nasa kamay mo patay na eh.
Saan?
Ayun, maliit.
Saan?
Ayun. So, eto. Gagamba ng baby. Ayun.
Balik. Bilis na tabak ko nito eh.
Eto, pag pinakalawan mo siya.
Bilis naman ito.
And I would do it again, no matter how strong the enemy or how tall the dragon.
You're my hero.
Tukulin! Yan.
Ano yan?
Ito, sa posporo namin ito nakita yung malaki. Tapos ito naman sa kusina, yung maliit.
Uy!
Ay!
Grabe yan. Ganda.
Ang bahay nagagamba.
Nagalaw ko eh.
But our family travels a lot doing these puppet shows, so it's hard for Ken to make friends easily. I'm glad he has you. I didn't know. It's nice to know you're looking out for him.
Sure thing, I'm happy to, Mrs. Ken's mom.
Nice to meet you, Ken's friend.
Ang grabe ah. Ayaw talaga hilaan yun talaga eh.
Tingin.
Ito.
Something against being blue.
Bahala daw siya.
Just saying, I'm here to
Tigil mo nga yung sapot pa.
hey guys.
Tigil.
Gabi tulo na yung laway mo.
What's this? An ambush?
Balik.
You're personally invited
Balik.
to the big
Balik.
butchering.
Balik.
You're really
Hello.
so far, Honcho and I are the
Tukulin.
you joined us.
Hmm.
We can actually have a real team soon.
Ito una ka video pa.
It would be so awesome. What do you say?
Uy.
Let's go for it. I think you're forgetting.
Ganina, puro sapot pa ako niyan ah.
Ito yung nagamban malaki.
Ito yung gagambang maliit.
Yeah, that means we can be friends too. You want to be friends? Well, duh. Aren't we already? What do you say?
Hello.
Well, I guess. Fantastic. But only on one condition. Huh? And what's that? We will only join if we can battle shield. What? Yeah, I mean,
Ang kulit-kulit kasi nito eh.
yeah.
Ay, hinuli namin. Hinuli.
Why do you want to fight Shu instead of fighting me? Because we already lost to you. But against him, we've got a shot. No more questions. So we got a deal? Sure, you got it.
You got
Sure,
it.
I'm begging you.
Stop.
Please fight Ken so he joins the club. I'm busy training. I get that, but this could count as training. Ken's Corvais is a seriously tough thing, and his only condition
Bye-bye.
is fighting you. Actually,
Hindi pa naglalaban.
plotting an evil move to destroy your baby.
Hello, Ang galing na to, mang sapot nito ah. Ang galing mang sapot.
What do you say?
Okay, fine. Set up a time.
I knew I could count on you. Hey, Ken! Sue says you'll have to match with you.
Oh, we finally meet. You're our I know you.
Ay, pa pang laban eh.
Battle Vault. Oh, wow. Max Lucky Battle? Yeah, the puppet guy. How could I forget?
We've been training for this for a long time.
The way you stay so calm and friendly. I appreciate that.
Relax pa. Ay, lalaban na yan.
Let's get started.
Laban na yan.
Battle!
King Gervais is a defense type.
Mm.
With the heaviest class of defense axle.
Storm's rising.
Tigla ko lagi si Daen.
Perfect balance of power.
Bigyan mo yan sa akin.
If he comes at me with his usual style, this will be a long defensive battle.
Is he gonna start with an attack or wait and defend? Which one? Ready, set, 3, 2, 1.
Let it You put up your guard.
Bigyan mo na.
Hmm? Ayan.
Playing and holding back.
So, papaalam na ba?
Ano?
Tapos na yung video?
Hindi pa. Hindi pa nga ito lumalaban eh.
Kasi dalawa silang bahay nagagamba. Pati ito bahay nagagamba, maliliit pa.
Lit-lit kasi na bahay nila.
Nakita niyo yung isang ganito na malaki yung bahay pero ang dami na laman.
Looks like the base is starting to slow down.
Surprising knows just how to handle a long match. That's the balance type advantage.
Isa pabalik-balik to eh. Puro na ako sapot eh.
Survivor finish. Storm
Si Arlang ako ah.
gets the win. That's 1 point to shoot. You were so close there. Next time you might hold out a little longer and win. We don't need your pity, buddy. Huh?
Oh, we still have a second battle to catch up.
Yeah, let's get on with the next one then. We're warmed up. Ready for some real puppet power?
You're wasting a lot of energy letting yourself get so riled up.
What? Second battle.
Takot
We start
tapos
with an
ka
attack
pa.
again or switch to defense?
Tapos
Which
ka.
will we choose?
Sige.
I wasn't able to
Sige.
hold on long
Sige.
enough. I played it all wrong.
Looks like he's
Tara na, Ate
second-guessing
Colleen.
himself. That's his greatest weakness. It's definitely affecting his
Mm.
I think Gervais is gonna attack first. Oh my God! You got that right. Try not to hit your man.
Para tulog-tulog kasi to eh. Puro na ako sapot. Pabalik ba? Wala, puro na sapot yun stick. Puro na sapot yun stick eh. Grabe nang hihina na to guys. Isa. Isa sampa.
Bye-bye.
Wala ba nga?
Ay.
Paray, pinutol. Grabe naman siya.
She wins the classic first finish. Counterplay, huh? Hate to say it, but that guy is legit.
Gabihin.
Hindi
Hindi pa tapos yan. Hindi yan maglalaban, Gabi, kasi magkapare silang gagamba. Gagamba bahay yan. Hindi sa akin gagamba Japan yan. Gagamba ko na laban yan.
Saan na?
Hindi ko alam sa'yo.
Saan na?
Bye-bye.
Ulo!
Wala pa nga eh.
Wala!
Gabi, kailan natin ito maaano. Asa gagamba mo? Asaan?
Not really a club.
Bye-bye. Hanapin na lang po namin yung gagamba. Sabi mo bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.